Welcome! In this video, you'll learn how to explore and customize prompts in B12's AI website prompt gallery. By the end, you'll know how to browse website examples, preview different layouts, and start building your website from your favorite prompt. Start by visiting the AI website prompt gallery. Link is attached in the description. The AI website prompt gallery gives you a variety of AI-generated starting points for your site. Each prompt includes a layout, structure, and content style that you can easily personalize to match your brand. You can use these prompts to quickly generate a professional website that feels uniquely yours. If you already have a layout or look in mind, use the search bar to find the most relevant options for your needs. You can also refine your search using the sort and filter tools. Click industry to choose from categories like professional services, home services, and many more. Click style to choose from various style options, including minimalist, modern, classic, and others. Click structure if you want a multi-page site, single-page layout, or something else. And if you prefer a specific language, click language to view prompts available in that language. Once you've found a prompt you like, click preview to see what it looks like. From here, you can explore the layout, review the design, and make sure it fits your goals. If it's the one you want, click Get a Site Like This to start generating your website. If you'd like to keep browsing, click Back to Gallery to explore more options. You can also use the Sort menu to arrange prompts by latest or most popular designs. After choosing your favorite prompt, click Remix. If you want to make changes before generating your site, click Previous Step to customize your prompt. From here, you can adjust any details. Click Enhance Prompt to improve it using B12's AI. In just a few moments, B12 will refine your prompt for better results. You can still review and edit it manually if you'd like. When you're ready, click the up arrow to continue. Enter your details for your account, then click Generate. Your website will be generated based on your prompt, then you will be redirected to the B12 editor. Once your site is ready, you can keep chatting with the AI agent to make quick updates, like editing your business description or adding new sections. You can also switch to the Edit tab to personalize your website even more. Check the video description for more tutorials on editing in the B12 editor. When you're happy with your changes, click Publish to make your website live. If you have questions, the Help Center has all the answers you need. Check the link in the description. Haven't tried B12 yet? Start for free at www.b12.io and generate your AI website in less than 60 seconds. Thanks for watching, and we can't wait to see what you build.